We do want to remind you that if you need earplugs, we have those. They are for sale at our souvenir merchandise tent. Make your way trackside here on the opposite side, or the same side of the announcer's area. We do have earplugs right around the 250-foot mark or so. The distance 3:08 and 3:2. 3:08 and 3:2. Let's give you a nice round of applause. Kyle Knapp comes to us out of Charles City, Iowa.